Why did you stop training?
There's a few reasons why. I mean, I really like the organizations that I had a chance to work with. I love their intentions and what they're doing. I think it just got to the point where, with prices going where they were across the country in Canada, it became more and more challenging for me to talk about the idea of investing for cash flow, which has always been my priority. So it just became a little disingenuous if I were to continue doing that when really there's not a lot of cash flow to be had. And we can do some calculations. So I think that's sort of one thing. But the other thing is, I really had an opportunity to step away and work more people like yourself. And we have sort of a close group of friends that we kind of know. And working and training those with those individuals and also benefiting myself from that interaction, that's been really fulfilling for me. So it's not that I don't love doing the training. I miss it. I thoroughly enjoy getting up there and doing it. But the challenge I think that exists is sometimes people also don't want to hear this. And I'm just not overly interested in kind of twisting people's arms into doing something they don't want to do. And there's a few different things that I know you've asked me to talk about coming up at a training. So hopefully people enjoy that. They'll probably feel a little challenged by it, but I'm happy to share.